In this class we will talk about margin. Okay, I will tell you everything about margin, why we use margin, because it is playing very important role, because um, we use to set the layout of margin. For suppose what content where to place exactly, that is why we need to have margin. Margin, it is a space by fourth direction, from top, left, right, bottom. Okay, so come into the coding section, into my margin.html file. I just add an image name, source image name is s.jpg. Okay, let's see what is the output of this file, and I'm going to open it. This is simple image, a small image, S for small image. Okay, now I'm going to apply margin on it. If I say margin from top side, give 100 pixels, then what happened? It means that I want to add a space from top hand side. Okay, but first we need to call a selector name img. Okay, keep remember that you must have to call selector. After that, apply property on it. I just write it down property and value, and to whom it gives margin and 100 pixel value from top side. It gives to img selector and img element of HTML. Okay, I saved it, and now I'm coming back and see the margin gives from top hand side, and come back, and I want to add margin by left hand side 50 pixels. Okay, 50 pixels. Here margin comes from left hand side. Okay, now I'm going to add one more image. Just copy it and paste it, and saved it. Here you can see margin added by left hand side at 50 from here, 50 from here. And if I said that add margin from right hand side 0, then what we need to do, I just add margin from right hand side as a 0 pixel. Let's see what result comes. Okay, it does not work, because the right hand side, it is left hand side of this image. This image counted from left hand side 50, 0. That is, it does not counted from right hand side as a 0, because I added in this image from left hand side is 50. That is why it counted as left hand side at 50, not counted as from right hand side of this image as 50. Okay, it does not work, but now we are going to check it out how it works. We just add simply the base text, hello world, I am checking margin. Okay, I add break, and simply the best I add it again. Now see, I added margin from right hand side 0 and saved it. Let's see. Yes, it worked, because I added margin by right hand side 0. Now I am going to add 50 and come back and refresh it. Now it's work. From left hand side I added 50, from right hand side I added also 50. Let's see from bottom it takes or not margin. So it counted from 50 at top hand side, not left and right. It also take from bottom. So same procedure, same like left and right. That is why it is not used by left hand side. If I'm going to add image, if I'm going to add text, right here and break right here and see. Now I'm going to add margin from bottom. So coming here, I add margin bottom 20 pixels. Let's see. Yes, it counted down from bottom side. We added margin from top, left, right and bottom. As you see, I added margin from top, left, right, bottom. Okay, it is a space that we can add from top, left, right, bottom. Okay, now I'm going to add same margin from top 100 pixels. Okay, 50 pixels from right hand side. Okay, 50 pixels from left hand side and add 20 pixels from bottom. Okay, 100, and now I'm going to delete it. Saved it and let's see. All is fine, but here is little bit change. What value we have added? And cut it. See what difference is coming when I add this. It slightly be changed from this kind of margin and from this kind of margin. Okay, keep in mind a slightly be change in the space around all of this image. Okay, now I'm going to end this class right now. In next class we will talk about padding.